What's up, guys? Glenn here. Thanks for clicking on the video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you do, give it a quick like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to put out some good content this season. I have plans on traveling all over. We're going to Cattle Lake. We're going back down to Florida for the Harris chain, several others, but Michigan for sure to catch some smallmouth. But this video is Kissimmee chain, Central Florida, Polk County for the KBF Trail Series 1, 2, and the Tenvitational. I was lucky enough to place well in both trail events, and I won the Tenvitational overall and broke my way into the 10 house, which very few people have gotten to do. So I'm super honored and proud to have pulled that off. And in the end, I ended up coming out second place against 10 other of the, in my opinion, some of the best anglers in our field for sure. I mean, these people are just straight sticks. So hope you enjoy the video. Quick shout out to the companies that helped make it possible for me. Millertech lithium batteries for sure. Great batteries. Motorguide powered me through all the thickest grass I could find all weekend. My canine fishing line, without a doubt, I never a line break. And Yolotek for power my GoPro and my light so I could see where I was going at night, in the early morning, that is, my way to my spot. So without further ado, I'll quit boring you to death and hope you liked the video. Still working on the editing, learning curve for that for sure. I need to figure out how to overlay some music on, where just the photos are, keep it from getting a little plain, but hope you enjoy.
All right, guys, here we go. Florida bound. First trail event of the year. Gonna get out of Indiana. Got like 4 to 8 inches of snow expected tonight, so we're leaving a little earlier than what we wanted to. I like driving at night. So we're gonna get half a day's day drive and the rest of the time at night. 14-hour drive. Heading south, well, Central Florida to Kissimmee chain for the KBF Trail 1, Trail 2, and the Tenvitational all at the same time. And then we're turning around and heading straight back down to Harris chain in Central Florida for the Hobie BOS Open on, in 3 weeks. So lots of miles, lots of gas, lots of money, even more fun. Can't wait to get back to my home state, Florida. With any luck, maybe I'll get to visit Mom or something like that. Maybe she'll drive up and meet me. I doubt it, but we'll see. All right, on the road. Later, guys. Didn't mean to hook that fish. But God dang, it's a giant. No net. Come here, girl. Oh my gosh. Look at that, would you? Holy shit. Whoop. Letting the old swamp donkey go. Maybe she'll be here Friday or Saturday. Oh yeah. Goodbye, sweetheart. What's all that movement about? Dang. Yes, baby, are you seeing this? Oh my God. Oh my God. I just got my first double-digit bass, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. I felt the weeds move. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Biz baits, man. I'm telling you, this baby crawl. Look at this fish. Oh, son. Oh my God. Are you kidding? Letting this 24-inch, 10-pound giant bucket mouth go. Bye, sweetheart. Thank you, thank you. Holy crap, thank you. GoPro highlight. That's what's up. GoPro highlight. Got him pegged good. Oh, the hook fell out in the net. Did you see that? Oh my God. Hook fell out and she landed in the net. At last minute 3:39 cull of 19.5. Going in the body of water that she came from. Goodbye. Yeah. What a week. What a week, man. Insane. What a week. Damn drag. One more good fish, guys. That's all we need. Just one. That's it. One fish. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, God. Just 21 1/4. All done but the crying now. I'm glad it's over. But let me tell you how freaking tired I am.